welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a special unboxing for us. This box comes all the way from Australia from my friend Chantal. She is a YouTuber that runs Raven's Minis and it's Darkest Raven's design, but Raven, I will post it here, but she does miniatures. She does amazing miniatures. On her main channel, she does Harry Potter miniatures. And then she's got a secondary channel that's the Raven Compendium, that she likes to do journals, unboxings, things like that. So I will be linking her video below on the Raven's Compendium for you to watch. She's unboxing at the same time I am. But let's just take a second. Look at this gorgeous box. She got this one special for me because, well, I love Disney. A little disappointed how they beat up the box, but I'm hoping I can save some of the little Mickey minis on the sides. They wrote all over it, and I had to cover this one up with a sticker, and yeah, so I'm super excited to say. And this came in, I want to say, less than a month from her mailing it. This is October 11th. That's not right. That's not right. So anyways, it only took a couple weeks for me to get it. I would say about 3 weeks for me to get it. So super excited. Oh, look at how she packaged it. First up, we've got a little note that says Jen at the top. I love how she used this for packing material. It is gorgeous. It's garland, like you put on a tree. So, okay, to Jen. Cute little stamps. We're going to have to save those. There we go. Merry and Bright. A very cute card. Dear Jen, another year has gone, or rather flown by, and here we have arrived at another box exchange. You asked for blue, and I hope I delivered on that. There are a few more random and festive things items in this box too, and I hope you'll enjoy them. And of course, I had to include some white chocolate goodies to snack on during craft season. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The Wilsons. Much love, Chantal. So, a very cute card. I did include a card in mine, but it's not as cute as that. That is definitely amazing. We'll be keeping that card. And then, actually, I love this garland. Look at that purple. And I want to put this on my tree, so I'm going to have to go find some more. Okay, so first up, she wrapped everything. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is a giant caramel bar, or chocolate bar. Look at how big that is. It's like fills up the whole box. Thank you. So this is a golden blend of caramelized white chocolate. Oh, that sounds delicious. Yeah. I received these a while ago from my mom, and I won't use them, but you might. So she included that. In here. So we've got, oh, the cutest little reindeer. Look at him. We will absolutely use him. And a reindeer folder. That's very cute. I don't know if you can even see him, but he's very, let's see. He's a very cute little guy. Oh, there you go. So perfect timing. I will put them in one of my holiday cards. I'm doing holiday cards to send to an old, like a retirement home. So let's see what this is. Ooh, that's gorgeous blue. I like that. Some ribbon. Oh, some little, is this eyelash ribbon? Or, I don't know what they call it, but it's gorgeous. I love that. I sent her some of that too. Then we've got some whites, some beautiful blue knit or crocheted lace, some pretty baby blues colors. Definitely got a variety of blues. That is awesome. And look at what this box is going to be perfect for a mini journal. I love that. And we've got newspaper. Australia newspaper. Let's see. Will that end up in my journal? We will have to wait and find out. It's the lifestyle section of the extra from July 21st, 2023. Ooh, she wrapped it up. Ooh, Tim Tams. I love these. Last time she sent them, they did not last in my house. My husband also loves them, so I will be sharing. And it's the white chocolate ones. She knows we like white chocolate. So, oh, there's more. Jeez. Mars, Milky Bar, ooh, and Cadbury Dream with Oreo. Ooh, my goodness. You're spoiling me. We've got some gorgeous, oh, look at this washi tape. That is beautiful. Oh, I lost my knife. It's got me so excited that I just can't even hold things straight. Okay, sorry. Stop it. There you go. Cut. Put it down. Open. There we go. I have to tell myself that all the time. Cut. Put it down. I just can't win today. I should just turn off the camera and go lay down. Okay, so this has cute little characters. Let's see. Okay, you've got the Lion King, Timon and Pumbaa, I can't remember his name. Anyways, Lion King. And then you've got animals. So you've got the dogs and the cats and the deers. And then you've got, I just don't have any words today. I know who all these characters are. I'm just, oh, Dumbo, you are perfect. I love that. Definitely not perfect, but I try. Better Together from the Aristocats. Very cute. Okay. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Some green collectible retreat from Kaisercraft. Got some gorgeous, let's see what's in there. Well, it's open now. I ripped it, so let's just go for it. So that's a pretty flower. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Got several of those, and then these little ones. Note card, butterflies. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Good friends, great life. Happiness is simply being with you. Aww. I love these. Got some very pretty blues, pretty greens that'll go with it, and browns. It's very nice. You get the idea on that one. Wheels are spinning. Oh, even more chocolate. Cadbury Dairy Milk Freddo Milky Top. Milk chocolate topped with white chocolate. That sounds delicious. Oh, look at him. That's cute. That is so much chocolate, Chantal. You are spoiling me. Okay, we've got some beautiful butterflies, also from Kaisercraft. Open it properly this time. Got the greens and blues, turquoises. Perfect colored for my blue journal. Love it. She definitely has a good eye when it comes to how to make colors go well. And what to send me. So when I say something, she asks if I want a color or what I want, and then she gets things that will work amazingly. I love flowers, so this must be the papers that coordinate with those. That's awesome. Tranquil Lane. Sorry about that. I will turn my phone off. There we go. This is a very big paper pad. 6.5 inch. Looks like there's 12 sheets. 2 of each sheet, single-sided. It's pretty big. Boy, I love those little cutouts. Beautiful colors. I love this color that she picked. When I said blue, this is what she decided. So we're definitely going to make a journal with this. Very nice. I don't know if I should open those next. Ooh, she got me a journal. Very nice. I love it. I could just decorate the cover of that and do the pages in here and call that my journal. Oh, she even got the 12 by 12 size. How cool. Same papers, it looks like. Gorgeous colors. I like that it's called Tranquil Lane because these colors really do have a tranquil feeling. That is awesome. And then we have this. Ooh, that's fuzzy. I like that. Definitely use that. She gave me plenty of it. And then some laces to use and fabrics. So we have a pretty white. Let's stay up there. Try that. Okay, and then we have blue fabric. Nice white one. That would be good for the binding, edging, whatever you call it, to cover the spine. Pretty. She's very coordinating. Love, love, love it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And then a white doily. Very nice. And then we've got some packaged items. So we're going to open this one. Make sure that I don't break anything. Or cut anything for that matter. I have no idea what this is. Sometimes I get little spoilers, but not of this one. It's a mug? Looks like a mug. Okay. Now I have an idea of what it is. I know how to take it out. Definitely a mug. Okay, let's see. Very well wrapped. Very, very well wrapped. Oh, that's so cute. So it is a teacup, a very large teacup, and it says, "Hello folks, Mickey Mouse." Love it. I love it. So I don't know now if these packages are presents or if they're for the swap. Are you spoiling me, Chantal? I am so excited. But just open it. Oh, I have a small teaser on this one, I think. Super cute. Or not, I don't know if it's cute. Yeah, I just read Mickey Mouse and got excited. Okay. It's an ornament, I believe. Oh, it's covered. I can't even tell. I know, it went really far. You had to wrap it up really good. So, oh, look at him. I love him. Love, love, love him. What else? Another one. I don't even know why I bother cutting it. As soon as I see what's inside, I get excited and just rip it. So I'm just going to be a rip it type person. It's Eeyore. And it's a Hallmark. Look at him. He's holding a little stocking. That is adorable. Thank you. Perfect spot for him on our tree. Next up, trying. Just rip it. Oh, but now I still need the knife, right? Aww. So she has a 3D printer. And she was able to make this for me so I could paint him. I absolutely love him. That is so crazy how the 3D printer did this. He's got pajamas on? That looks like pajamas. I will make him pajamas. Look at how cute he is. Oh, I love him. He's going to sit inside this mug for now so I don't squish him. Oh, this one feels like another ornament. Did you spoil me with ornaments this year? Okay, so I got her a present too, but I did not get her this many presents. Oh, it's Minnie Mouse. I got her one present and one thing of candy. She absolutely went all out and spoiled me with ornaments. How cute. I love how she's hanging a Christmas tree ornament herself. Gorgeous. Okay, we have one more thing to open. And it is wrapped in Amazon packaging. So we're going to be careful not to rip packaging. Of course I get Amazon packaging a lot, so. This one's heavy. Oh, she got me paints. These are the perfect paints to paint Mr. Eeyore. And for my journal. So she got me 3 colors. Let's see if I can pull any of them out. Nope. I want to accidentally cut them. Okay. So this is a gorgeous color. This is Coastal Blue in Kaiser Colors. This one is Navy Blue. And this is, looks kind of like a turquoise sea breeze. Very cool. Make sure that's the only thing in there. That's these packages. Okay, cool. I'm so very excited. Thank you, Chantal, for, hang on a second, let me get this. All of this stunning blues and all of the gorgeous Eeyores and Mickeys, and the list goes on and on. I can't tell you what my favorite thing is because it's all crazy. And all the candy. Thank you so much. You did not need to give me that much candy. I appreciate you, and I love that we do the swap every once in a while. Obviously it's getting more and more expensive with the shipping, but we'll do it as long as we can. And next up I will be creating a journal. I don't know when it'll come out, but I will be releasing that same time she'll release hers as well. So definitely check out her link below of what I sent her. I definitely went all out also, so check that out. It was a lot of fun doing this with you, Chantal, and I'm looking forward to many more. Thanks for watching.